Today we're going to be reviewing and assembling the Hollywood Sport Rider SE rack for electric bikes with the Trike adapter. So stay tuned. So as you can see, this bike rack comes in two pieces, the main rack itself, and then, as I said earlier, the Trike adapter. We do own a Hollywood rack, but it does not adapt for this baby, the Trike.
These parts here, which came in the large box, are a rack for two-wheel bikes.
Electric bikes.
Electric bikes, yeah. Well, they can be any kind of bike, but it's strong enough and sturdy enough to handle the weight of an electric bike, 60 to 70 pounds. It comes with a cable. Safety cable with a lock and keys, and then it looks like there's some other adapters, and oh yeah, a locking hitch pin as well. So that's all good. It has some tools in there too. And then this part over here is the adapter to change this from handling two-wheeled bikes to handling one two-wheeled bike and one trike. So that's what we're going to be doing, is we're going to be putting together this rack and making sure we have it adapted so that it will handle a two-wheel bike and a trike.
So as you can see, we've got everything unwrapped. Again, here's the standard hitch for two bikes, and here is the Trike adapter equipment. The directions suggest that we assemble it on the hitch. So that's what we're going to do. Just to make sure everyone's clear, this bike rack is designed for a 2-inch hitch receiver, which we have here on the back of our Jeep Cherokee.
So normally, the next step would be to install this other piece that holds a bike in place onto this part, and then to install these items onto this piece here that hold the tires of the bike. But I'm not going to be doing that because in order to install the Trike adapter, I need to have it without anything installed on it I've installed one, which is for the two-wheel bike that we'll carry on this side, and then the trike that's on this side, we'll use the trike adapter for that. So this is as far as I'm going with this part of the installation, and then I will start doing the installation of the trike adapter at this point. Okay, so the rack is assembled now. It has the two hoops for the two-wheel bike in the back, and then the three for the trike here in the front. So I'm going to back the Jeep up some so that the Jeep is a little more level, and then we're going to put the trike on and make sure we have these items adjusted correctly for it. That's our plan at this point. We have got the bikes on the rack, as you can see. We've had to adjust things a little bit. I had to move one of the loops outside instead of having it inside, but it's all worked quite well. I'm very pleased with the rack. Now that I have things adjusted correctly, I'm going to go through, tighten up all of the bolts and Allen screws and everything else on this setup so that we can actually feel comfortable taking it and driving with it. I am very impressed with it. We've had Hollywood bike racks, another Hollywood bike rack, and I was very happy with it. Since that, I bought that a number of years ago, and since that time they have improved their design and their engineering, so I am even more impressed with the bike rack now.
All right, we have arrived at our favorite park where we like to do biking. It's quiet here. The bikes got here just great.
The rack performed like a champ, kept the bikes really rock solid while we drove. So it adds 4 feet to your length, which is going to be important if you're towing a Jeep or some kind of flat tow like we are, or whether you add it onto the back of a trailer, fifth wheel, just so you know that it does stick out that far. So we're gonna take these down now and give them a whirl.
1 hour later.
Okay, so there you have it. We did a 5-mile bike ride. Wasn't very long, but it was great because I'm starting to get used to this new bike, Trike, and we are feeling pretty good about the Hollywood bike rack as well as the electric bikes themselves. So we'll stop this here and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye.